Alright, just want to start this channel as kind of a do-it-yourself RC channel. Just want to start out with opening some packages that I got from Aliexpress that will help out in some way with RC stuff. I've watched some other YouTubers that do like a Mailbag Monday, and I always thought that was interesting. Been getting more and more and doing it myself. And okay, so got this package from Aliexpress. I believe it's a vise. As you see, it's already opened. That's due to me. That's not due to shipping or anything. I just wanted to make sure what it was, and then I thought maybe I should do a video on it. So let's open it. I ordered this, pretty sure, like I said, pretty sure it's a vise. It's a flat vise, small vise, with little plastic screw holders on it. Yep, that's what it looks like what it is. Ordered this vise for drilling small objects, and also soldering battery leads or ESC leads. And I thought that was useful. I got this on AliExpress for about $6 with free shipping. It's made out of aluminum, and these are all threaded, which is nice. The action seems pretty smooth. So you can try it. You can do like a battery plug in this. It's a little easier than helping hands, a little bit more stable. I'm using this mat I also got from AliExpress for soldering. It's a barbecue mat I got for like $2. You can also use it, for wood, whatever else you need. That's pretty interesting. All right. Next one I got is let's see. Let me get my scissors out. Looks like it's from the Czech Republic of all places. I usually get my stuff from like China or Vietnam or Cambodia, from the looks of it. But this is a new one on me. I'm not sure what this is. I've ordered lots of stuff on AliExpress lately, so it says tape, which is odd because it doesn't feel like tape. It feels like something metal. Be quite honest with you, I am not sure what these are. That's weird. Huh. I don't remember ordering these. These look like power plugs or something. That's weird. They're even addressed to me. It must have got mixed up. That's weird. I'll have to check into this. I was not expecting these. That is odd. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Bye.